Good morning, students. In our today's class, we will learn what are the differences between indefinite pronoun and indefinite adjective. At first, we will learn the definition, then other. Okay, the pronoun which denotes the number of objects in a general way is known as indefinite pronoun. And on the other hand, what is the indefinite adjective? The adjective which is used to denote the number of objects in a general way is known as indefinite adjective or indefinite numeral adjective, you can say. Okay. Here you see what is the definition of indefinite pronoun? The pronoun which denotes the number of objects in a general way is known as indefinite pronoun. And what is the definition of indefinite numeral adjective? The adjective which is used to denote the number of objects in a general way is known as indefinite numeral adjectives. We will learn what is the basic difference between these two. We will learn through the examples. Okay. Some of the chairs are broken. Number one. Here, some chairs are broken. Next, few of the candidates got passed. Few candidates got passed. From the definition only it is clear. See, what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which will use instead of a noun. And what is the definition of adjective? Adjective is a word which will modify a noun or a pronoun. Okay? To modify a noun or pronoun, that adjective should be used attributively along with the noun. After adjective there should be a noun. Okay? Here you see, in first case there are some, here is also some. Now this one is noun, but it is separated with the word that some is separated from the noun by of. Here some is a noun. So some modifies the word noun. So it's an indefinite numeral adjective. Okay. Some chairs, that means what? We are not getting the exact amount of chairs. Okay. Here also few is separated from the noun by of, but here few is followed by the word candidate. So same words, when it is followed by a noun, then it is indefinite adjective. That means we know indefinite, all the numeral adjectives for used with countable nouns, right? all the adjectives, that means numeral adjective. In case of numeral adjective, I am talking about the numeral adjective, they will followed by countable nouns. Okay, so some, this one is countable noun, after few, this one is countable noun, so this is an indefinite numeral adjective, but here noun is separated by the word of, there is also by of, so they are the indefinite pronoun. Now we will learn another one, and our last one, adjective of quantity. Okay, and the differences, what are the differences between adjective of quantity and adjective of number? Already we discussed about it. Okay, we had already discussed about the definition of adjective of number earlier. So through the examples I will try to learn, we will try to learn this one. Simply, adjective of quantity, it will give the answer of how many. It will give the, sorry, it will give the answer of how much. Adjective quantity gives the answer of how much. This will give the answer of how many. Okay. In case of adjective number, if we ask the questions how many, then we will get the answer of it. And in case of adjective of quantity, we will get the answer of how much. And the main differences between these two is uncountable noun and earlier I told that adjective of number used with countable noun. So adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. This is the main difference. Countable and what is the uncountable? The noun which we can count is countable. That means pen, chair, desk, whatever else. Then the uncountable noun means what? The noun which we can count but we can measure it. Oil, petrol, diesel, water, milk, rice, salt, okay, etc. The example of uncountable noun. Let's take the example of it. He rice. We got some eggs. Is there in the bowl? Is there any sugar in the bowl? Are there any children? Are there any children in the library? Okay. In this two, you see, have some. That is also use some. This one is rice is what I told you. This is uncountable noun. An X, countable noun. So it's clear to us. This is an adjective of number. This is an adjective of quantity. Here same. Any, uncountable noun, and this one countable noun. From these two, it's very clear to us when it is adjective of quantity, when it is adjective of number. When those words, there are several examples are in your book, so you have to follow this one. I gave only the two. Okay. Some, when it is used to uncountable, then it is adjective of quantity. When it is used to countable noun, then it is adjective of number. I think whatever the tricks I provided, during the classes. I think it will help all of you, and that much for today. Thank you all.